Our next highlight is the navigation tutorial. We're going to select navigation first, open the main menu, then select tutorial. We can see that now every single aspect and feature of the navigation system is thoroughly explained. We can switch between different pages in the lower part of the HUD unit. Have a look at the search function. On how to start a route guidance. Information on the scroll operation, as well as how to zoom in or zoom out. We thought that even more additional information would have been helpful. We're going to exit the feature and go back to the home screen.